Welcome back to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore. Today, this is another Seiko getting ready to be unboxed. This watch is on loan from our boutique and this is one of those JDM models. I was told by Eric it's a rather new model. You can see from the instruction booklet here, this is a JDM watch. The packaging is slightly different from the international editions. Ta-da! Alright, so this is one of the latest cocktail models from the Seiko Presage series. I think the Cocktail Time or cocktail models, they are widely recognized as the best value for money type of entry level type of Seiko Presage watches, and this one here has a really nice fume dial here done in the blue sunburst type look, and it also sports this newer design bracelet here, which is more or less known as a H-link. Okay, slightly different from the previous versions of the cocktail designs. Alright, I think those designs, they have the 5-link bracelets, and this one here I would think is slightly more sporty and comes with a butterfly clasp as well, and I think I actually like this model, or rather this bracelet, over the older models. Reference number for the watch is SARY217. So you can see from the price tag and all the text here, this is a JDM model. Nobody's gonna pay retail for a Seiko Presage. I believe this one here goes for around 500 Singapore dollars. Alright, no confirmation. Let me just check out and revert on the actual pricing in the full review video, but on hand I think this is a really handsome dial we're looking at. Again, one of those winners from Seiko, right? In terms of dial design, dial execution, color, texturing and all that. I think, at any price point, Seiko definitely takes the lead when it comes to the dial game. This is a brand new watch, so let me just take some time to peel off the protective film here. I do have permission from Eric to do so. And now with the protective film out of the way as well, this is a closer look on this beautiful dial here. Right? I'm very impressed. Okay, the moment I removed the film, I was like, wow. Okay, so this is a really beautiful looking fume dial, sunburst dial kind of look, and I'm loving this black disc wheel here, black disc or date disc, whatever you want to call it. I think it is less outstanding as compared to the white date wheel. So this one here looks very good. I think this is of a great size as well, coming in at around 39mm. Previous versions, the older models of Cocktail Time, they typically come in at around 40.5mm. Definitely too big for a dressier style of watch, and 39mm, I think this is the correct size. So let me just quickly do a hand alignment check on the Seiko Presage here. 9 o'clock looks good. Let's shoot for 12 o'clock. Alright, no problems at all. Alright, everything here looks great. Alignment is good, as opposed to many Seikos that come with misaligned hands and markers and all that. So this one here has got a really nice sign crown as well. Again, I'm liking this overall new design of bracelet, H-links, and this style here, I think, wow, it's truly amazing. Okay, so this watch really deserves a better movement. Okay, this is a 4R based movement, and I think if they put in a better movement, this watch will be a serious contender. And let's zoom back out for a quick wrist shot on the Seiko Presage. A very good size here at around 39mm case size. Overall thickness here, I think it's 11.5. Can't be sure, alright, but it looks really good here. Fits very well on my wrist. I think this one here is a great watch. I'm actually impressed, okay, by this overall color and the design of the new bracelet here. Just fantastic. So stay tuned for the full length review of this Seiko Presage new design, new model of the Cocktail series, SARY217 This is JDM model, alright? So full review video coming out in the next few weeks. I'm going to see you next week for more watch review videos. This is Andy in Singapore. Bye.